guys, today we're making homemade tomato soup and grilled cheese, please. Hey guys, today we're making homemade tomato soup and grilled cheese, please. My dad will come in and tell you what we need to do first.
Hey guys, first we're going to take this purple onion and we're going to chop it up with some tomatoes and some garlic and put it in the saucepan. So I'm going to be assisting my son, Kid Troy. All right.
And kids, don't try this at home. You have to use a real sharp knife and ask an adult to help. First, cut the onions. Take the peel off of it and put it in a bowl. But I know we're not actually making a grilled cheese, but we're making a homemade tomato soup first.
All right, now we need oil in the pan.
Oh gosh. Just a little bit.
Pour it.
Is that enough?
Good more. That's good.
And then let it get hot. Put the onions in the pan. Now stay back, kids. Don't let the grease get on you. It might hurt. Do you see that? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey kids, now we're going to put the ingredients together. Oh gosh. Hey kids, now we got the garlic, onions, and caper in the pan. Now we're gonna put lemon juice. Sorry. That's how many we need. Stay.
Now we're doing tomatoes for the tomato soup.
You see, kids, I told you this was easy to make. Hey kids, this is me, Troy. I'm filming in Daddy. I won't be in it on this part. Okay, now Dad needs to cut this last half, and then he's gonna put the pan on the hot steam. Once he does that, then the tomatoes will be cooked fresh.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, kids, look at this.
Got it.
Okay, kids, we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Dad already put the chicken broth and the tomato soup. Now we're gonna make grilled cheese, please. But I need an adult to help. Hey guys, welcome back to Kid Troy Makes Grilled Cheese, please, and homemade tomato soup. Daddy just started with one grilled cheese. Now we're gonna do the other. And that's it. Alright kids, Daddy buttered this one. Now I am going to butter this one. Oh gosh. Since the pan is hot, my dad is going to do this. Oh gosh. That was the easy part. Now, Dad is going to put a little bit butter in it. And you know the drill. Since I'm going to start off the show, my dad is just going to do this bit, the easy part.
How's that soup coming out?
It's going great.
Let's get a shot of that.
Okay, kids. Don't try this at home easily.
You see that?
Yes.
Perfect golden brown.
It just takes a few seconds to let it get golden brown. See, guys? You see what's going to happen? You see? Very strange. As always. Look at this. This is going great. Oh, gosh. Oh, he's going to put the soup inside. You're forgetting something, Dad. Is that actually humidity hot on the side? Homemade tomato soup, guys. Now look at this cheese. The grilled cheese, please. This is actually loud. Hey! Ignore that sound. Don't try this at home, guys. Alright, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright, kids. Now here's our homemade tomato soup and grilled cheese.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah, they do look good. And I think this is a good time to end out the episode here. It's been so fun to do this with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. And as we move on to the mega mixed fruit. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.